Hi guys, naami balot diri oh. Nakapalit ko og balot og kanang duha ka balot og duha ka pinoy so ato aning patilawon. So ready man daw siya matilaw so. Go ahead. Where's the salt? There's the salt. Oh, we need a spoon.
Okay.
Ug ang asin. Okay.
Okay. Show me how to do this.
This is the balut.
Okay. Why you give me that one?
I don't know which one. I forgot which one you.
Which one?
Maybe this one. I don't know. Just either way.
I thought you have to top it.
Yeah,
Where's the top and the
I
bottom?
don't know how do you do that.
You gotta look in the light.
I don't know where's the bottom.
Oh, you know what? Maybe the flashlight.
Yeah. Oh, di ba? Mas alam pa to sa akin, oh. Kailangan daw niya mag-flashlight, oh.
There it is. See the top?
Oh, yeah. How about mine?
Nope. Turn around.
Oh,
That's
there's
it.
the top.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want the soup?
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
$16 days pala to, guys. 16 days lang yung kinako.
Why don't I have any juice?
Mine has a little juice.
Oh, there it is. Ready to get the skin off.
Damn.
Ah.
Lagyan natin ng ano, asin.
But you put the. Do I sip it first, or do I
Sip
put
it
the?
first.
Don't put the stuff on, right?
Yeah, sip the, sip
Okay.
muna the juice.
All right. Let's see. Look at that, baby.
How was it?
Good.
Sauce.
Chicken soup.
Gusto ko siya kasi ano, hindi siya masisiw, hindi pa siya masisiw masyado. 16 days lang to. Okay, you put salt. And then, suka-suka. Paliguan mo ng suka. Ayan, oh.
Where's the hard thing? Oh, there's the hard thing. Taking the hard thing off.
Grabe. Sarap.
Let me see the spoon. How do I get the hard thing off? There we go. There.
Ang yung kanya may sisiw, oh.
All right, put the
Kitang-kita
salt
yung
first.
sisiw. Yeah, put the salt first all over.
Okay. And. Okay. Look. There's my little guy. All done.
Put the salt all over.
Okay. Asuka.
You eat it. Don't eat the one. How was it?
Good.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Sarap ba? Totoo ba?
Kain tayo.
Totoo ba o hindi? Lamig man daw. Actually, natry naman niya sa una, pero dugi na to. Atong una niyang ari.
That was good.
Okay. You like the hard part, no?
No, you eat the hard part?
You can eat it. Come on.
You ate yours? No.
It's hard though.
It's like rubber.
Yeah. But you can eat that. That was it.
But the other one was a giant chick.
You didn't eat it though.
I did eat it.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't.
I think I like the balut better than the other egg.